What is the fundamental energy of body? How can we best use the magic of Moxa? How does Moxibustion miraculously function to treat diseases? Moxibustion, a green therapy with no side effects. The important part of the medical practices of ancient China. One of the quintessential ancient Chinese medical textbooks advised, if medicines and acupuncture could not cure a disease in a patient, Moxibustion must be used. Moxibustion is said to cure many of the problems that cannot be fixed by medicines and acupuncture. The textbook also suggested that Moxibustion was the best way to save lives by extending a person's life and can also cleanse the kidneys. This is Moxa. Moxa leaves are very common throughout the countryside in China and are used in many different purposes. Besides being used for Moxibustion, Chinese people use them to prepare soups, bathe, fumigate their houses, and repel mosquitoes and flies. The lower part of the Chinese character I, literally Moxa, means restoring something to its original appearance. In olden days, beautiful young women were also referred to as Shao Ai, young eye. That's the perfect extension of the medical application of Moxa. Moxibustion was a major part of the medical practices of ancient China. It's noted for having no side effects and is known as a green therapy. Moxa heat is produced by the Moxibustion materials, which are derived from Moxa leaves, also known as dried mugwort. Moxibustion therapy prevents and treats disease by stimulating acupuncture points and special areas of the body, revitalizing the Jing and Qi flows and adjusting any disrupted physiological and biochemical functions. It was only after a long period of experiments and investigations that Moxibustion became a regular therapeutic treatment and became widely used. Today, it remains a popular form of treatment. The fire of Moxibustion is believed to be the fire of the pure yang. Ancient Chinese people referred to the sun as the sun of heaven, and they described Moxibustion as the sun of the earth. Yang energy is the fundamental energy of life. According to Huangdi Neijing, or the Yellow Emperor's Inner Canon, if we rate the yang energy at 100 points, then a person's life, from birth to death, is a process where the 100 points gradually reduce to zero. That is to say, life is the process where the yang energy is consumed. The heat of the Moxibustion process is different from the heat that other materials generate. As the Moxa burns, it produces a special type of shortened infrared radiation. This can penetrate 3 to 4 times the depth of normal infrared radiation, and thus can effectively activate the protein complex activin to promote cell growth and to enhance the immune system. Moxibustion can also automatically locate problematic areas of the body and refresh the meridians, or life energy channels. The fire of Moxibustion burns and delivers the heat of the pure yang to the inside of the body through the skin. Given that the meridians, acupuncture points, and abdominal organs are all linked, the heat of the yang can successfully reach the malfunctioning parts and remove any obstructions. It can automatically adjust the level of yin and yang to strengthen one's yang, maintaining health and treating diseases. Traditional Chinese medicine research institutes have studied many other medicines, materials, and substances, but they concluded there was no replacement when they compared these with Moxa. How does Moxibustion miraculously function to treat diseases? Traditional Chinese medicine practitioners say that every person has a meridian network. It's just like an electrical current flowing through connecting wires of an electric generator. The 12 meridians and 365 acupuncture points of the human body are like the post offices and mailboxes for the organs to deliver messages to one another. When they are healthy, these organs are well connected with the acupuncture points on the skin through the meridian network. For a sick person, however, the pores at these acupuncture points become natural channels for pathological excretion. To discharge the negative energy and enable the smooth flow of nutritional energy, yang qi, and protective energy, wei qi. To diminish it if there is too much yang energy, and to supplement it if there is too little. Moxibustion therapy applies these basic principles of traditional Chinese medicine in a pliant way. The pace of modern life makes it impossible for people to go to work at sunrise and go to bed at sunset, and avoid the harm caused by drugs and hormones. Considering bad lifestyle habits, people are consuming their young energy at a much faster pace than ever before. Moxibustion helps to provide more young energy for people and releases their negative energy. This is precisely what more and more people need in their lives. People today can learn from the medical wisdom of our ancestors. By using Moxibustion, they will be able to greatly reduce the chances of falling ill. They will be able to live better and longer, and enjoy life to the fullest and healthiest. It's a therapy that can help everyone in society.